my side, my name is Köppl. I'm an economist at the Austrian Institute of Economic Research, and I will be moderating this morning session. At WIFO, we have already quite a long time research in the built infrastructure, and this also led us to the Reconstruct project. And what, from our point of view, I would add what Andreas Pfeiler already said. We would like to get a deepened understanding of the built stock, especially with the focus on the entire value chain and the materials used in construction. So I also would like to welcome you on behalf of the Reconstruct partners and project here. And the focus of today's 2 hours is the transformation of the building sector to a low carbon build stock, and one focus of today's morning is life cycle analysis. The workshop starts with a keynote by Josefina Lindblad from DG Environment,